I would never go on a cruise without a dry bag.
A lightweight dry bag is a useful multi-purpose item worth its weight in gold if you need to keep something dry. But what are the other reasons to travel with dry bags? Of course, the first thing is keeping things dry and protecting from elements. Is your passport protected from water damage? Is your camera safe during a sudden downpour? Traveling in tropical climates during a rainy season when showers can appear with little notice, a dry bag offers protection for your belongings. What are some other useful tips that you can use with a dry bag? You can wash clothes. Just grab a laundry detergent sheet and toss the clothes in the dry bag with water. Then agitate with your hand, close and shake, then drain and rinse. Repeat as necessary. You can also use it as a bucket. If you need to move or carry water, a dry bag can act as a bucket, or you can use it to carry ice from a hotel ice machine to your room. They are great for cruise ports because you can carry them on your back like a backpack. They are also ideal for boat excursions and water parks. I have linked in the description this exact dry bag that we use.
Have you used a dry bag? Well, what is your favorite cruise essential? Please follow for more cruise tips and tricks.